Kendal Flood Risk Management Project, it's really a whole programme of works that combine to reduce the flood risk to Kendal.
The project came about following flooding in 2015 caused by Storm Desmond. WSP and the Environment Agency, we've had to develop and design a scheme that provides the community with the level of flood protection that we want, but doing so in a way that's sensitive to the environment and the local character.
One of the big challenges that we did face was a public perception that the scheme wouldn't be fitting with the environment of Kendal.
We built a strong internal communications team to engage with the local community, and we've used that feedback to shape the proposals that we're delivering.
A key piece of feedback that we got from the public was that they wanted to retain connectivity with the watercourse. So in certain locations, we've incorporated glass panels into the flood defence, and that will allow us to maintain that real connectivity.
A lot of the questions come around timescales, and it's difficult to deliver works sometimes where we've only got 3 months of the year in which we can work in river, and that's where WSP have came in and delivering us a solution whereby we can work off that temporary in-river platform for beyond those 3 months in the year.
We've really utilised WSP's vast wealth of experts. We've utilised structural, geotechnical and civil engineers to come up with innovative solutions to some of really the complex engineering challenges.
The range of technical expertise that WSP brings to the table, and it's that breadth of design service that can be called upon to support us in delivering the scheme.
I'm actually really proud of the landscape works that we're doing alongside the engineering. We are doing community and environmental enhancement areas. We've incorporated art from local artists. Local school children have been involved in designing mosaic tiles.
Local artists have been engaging with the scheme, such as Bob Henfrey. Now, people like Bob are an important bridge for us into the community. When Bob's out there doing his work in the town, he talks to people. In doing so, he's become an advocate of the scheme.
So I turned out my preconceptions were this could be bad for the town. This could be bad for the natural habitats along the river. I think each time I went back down to the river to work, my eyes were being gradually opened to the way in which the care and planning of this scheme was delivering positive benefit, and my ideas changed as a result.
Kendal will become much more flood resilient as a consequence of this scheme, but I think it's beyond delivering that flood resilience. We're enhancing the public realm and we're giving the community the opportunity to thrive and prosper.
We've designed a scheme that will allow the communities to continue to enjoy the areas that they live in, for the environment to flourish. It's a scheme that will leave a real positive legacy.
It should give businesses a confidence to come back and invest in Kendal. It's not been a small thing. This is a major thing for Kendal, and people ought to celebrate it.